Embark on a Tuscan adventure like a seasoned traveler with my exclusive travel tips for Florence. Undercover the city's gems, savor the finest culinary delights, and navigate the art-laden streets with confidence. Your journey to Florence begins here, where every tip opens a door to a new facet of this Renaissance masterpiece. Another great advice from...
Hello everyone, I'm in Florence, Italy, and decided to make a little pit stop before I walk across the street to the Galleria Museum, enjoyed a little Prosecco, and just wanted to give you top 10 tips of Florence. The first tip is before you come out here, get your Duomo tickets. And I would get the Brunelleschi Pass, which includes the bell tower, the baptistry, the Duomo Museum, and of course the top of the Duomo, which is 436 feet steps high. You also want to purchase the Accademia tickets and book your appointments ahead of time to see the Statue of David. Any train passes you want to purchase those ahead of time with Trenitalia. Download the app. And also a very popular place here that you want to have your tickets and appointment times is the Uffizi Gallery. Tip number 2, Florence is a walking city. No Uber here, but the most you'll ever walk is roughly about 15-20 minutes from one end to the other. Gelato is the birthplace of Florence, so get you some. In the summertime, if you're here, escape the heat and humidity, go into the museum sometime in the afternoon. You also want to see different museums and churches in the afternoon to also escape the heat. To see a beautiful sunset, go to the Michelangelo Plaza. Florence is also the birthplace of leather, so you definitely want to buy something at any leather shop. I bought this Michelangelo leather jacket just the other day. Doesn't it look sweet? Just across the river is the Ortrano district. I'm gonna hit that place up this afternoon and make sure you walk across the river and enjoy yourself. Also, tip number 8, all the better restaurants open after 7. Italy is just like any European country. They eat really late. Some restaurants don't even open up till 7:30, 8 o'clock sometimes, so make your reservations ahead of time. You also want to consider day trips to smaller towns such as Wine Country in Tuscany, just south of here, or also head west to see Pisa and the Leaning Tower of Pisa, or head south to Siena and enjoy the second largest city in Tuscany. And tip number 10, major sites are closed on a Monday, so keep that in mind while you're here visiting Florence.
For more on Florence's destinations and excursions, please click the link in the description field.